I hope you guys are all enjoying your day so far. Appreciate you for coming out. This is Beyond Wealth um, opportunity call. Let me go ahead and make sure that I got everybody muted here. All right, so we're going to be going in. I'm extremely excited to be able to share with you guys, an opportunity that is just changing so many lives. I talked to one of, my students, and he called me with so much excitement. He says, Wall Street, I paid $2,000 for the founders pack. I got Zoom tokens, and literally overnight, I made my investment back. I mean, wow. Wow. So overnight, we're seeing results here with what we're doing at Beyond, and you should be excited and fired up at the opportunity, that we have, in front of us. Digital technology is going to be the next wave. Fintech is been the rave, but it's going to be, you could say, the greatest transformation of wealth that the world has ever seen. In the history of there being a stock market, or the history of there being a medium of exchange that we've used in our current legacy banking system. So without further ado, I present to you Beyond Wealth, digital technology products revealed. So we've designed something that's set up for your success. And we've broken it down into three categories. Now, first is a digital category, right? So this gives you the ability to do business globally, on a global scale. I'm a big trader. I love to trade Forex and crypto, so I'm decentralized. I trade in a decentralized market, so you got to understand a global scale of things. So this allows you to be industrialist and enterprising. And we also have people that are in the e-commerce sector or in the networking sector, and this involves being global. So we're gonna show you how to be able to make an impact in the digital category, as well as create a passive income. So, folks, if you understood the power of residual income, then you would walk through a brick wall to get it. So residual income is doing something one time and being paid over and over for it. So we're going to show you how to create passive income, all right, through this platform, as well as go over the Infinite Success app, which is a proven system developed to help you succeed. Therefore, we've got everything set up in a systematic approach so that it makes it very easy for you guys to share an opportunity that is, again, changing and revolutionizing and inspiring lives. So with that being said, what we offer can be defined in three distinct categories: elevate your wealth, experience even more, and then educate for success. Now, elevate, experience, educate. So obviously, in order for us to be able to have wealth, we need to be able to increase our earning potential, right? So your earning potential is based on your learning potential. What you learn will help you determine what you can earn. So we're going to help you elevate your wealth. We also will help you elevate your health. Because let's face it doesn't matter how much money you're making if you're not around to be able to enjoy the fruits of your labor. It also doesn't matter how much you're making and how much wealth you've accumulated if you aren't able to enjoy the fruits of your labor, right? If you can't experience more, and to be able to enjoy all the fruits from your hard work, then what is it all for? I understand leaving a legacy of benefits instead of bills for my children and my heirs, but I also want to enjoy it while I'm here. And then education. Education is a great equalizer. If you make money but don't know how to maintain it, nurture it, and allow it to grow, then how can you have success? So we will show you how to elevate your wealth, experience even more in the process, and then educate yourself, and then inspire others, because inspiring is the greatest human act. So with that being said, Warren Buffett is greatly recognized as the greatest investor of our time, right? And Warren Buffett said himself, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, then you will work until you die. Folks, there is two Americas. We have one side of America that is the have-nots. And then we have the other side of America that is the haves. See, folks, the have-nots have not because they exchange time for money. They exchange time for dime. Now, the haves have a lot because they understand that their time is a valuable commodity that they cannot get back. And they're limited in resources as far as time. So they use dime. They use their capital. They also use systems to be able to grow their network and their net worth. They're a firm believer that 1% of 100 people's efforts is a lot better than 100% of their own, because there's only so much energy and effort and time that one can exert. So system is an acronym for saving yourself time, energy, and money. So if we understand anything about the rat race and the haves and have-nots, we must understand that the have-nots do not exchange time for money. Instead, they come up with bright ideas and inventions, and they hire the have-nots to work for them to make their ideas come to life, to be able to work their systems. And then from there, they invest in the stock market. They invest in gold. They invest in futures. They invest in other businesses and other systems. So we have to understand the cash flow quadrant. There are people that are taught, and this is how most of us are taught. We're taught to go to school, major in whatever it is that you're passionate about, or your parents told you to go to school and major in. Typically, this is how it goes. And then from there, we graduate with student debt, and a lot of us don't even end up in the industry that we went to school for. You work for years only to be replaced by somebody who will take less pay and who is younger, or be replaced by the computers. So there really isn't any job security anymore in America, and especially with this pandemic that we have going on, there's no security in anything except for yourself, and understanding how to grab the bull by the horns and get in the driver's seat and start to drive your portfolio towards profitability. Start to understand the inner workings of your portfolio so you never have to pick the phone up and ask someone else, hey, how is my portfolio doing? Or can I access my money? So what we've done here at Beyond and with the Zoom platform and the Zoom token and the wallet and the debit card, you don't have to be trapped by the walled gardens of the legacy banking system anymore. It's amazing, folks. Liberation at its finest. This is the greatest transformation of wealth that we've ever seen. We've heard so many people talk about bridging the gap between fiat and crypto and being able to take advantage of the fintech wave. But here at Beyond, we're going beyond. We're allowing members to increase their personal wealth by putting their money to work, planting seeds, watering and nurturing those seeds and allowing them to grow. Folks, you were told a lie. They told you no 1,000 times, and they said money doesn't grow on trees. Last time I checked, printing presses print money on paper. I know it's cotton bond paper, but it's still paper, and paper grows on trees. And if you grow that tree, if you nurture it and cultivate it, it will grow a nice harvest. So we must understand that instead of exchanging our time for dime, we must become entrepreneurs. Folks, Donald Trump, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Damon John, Jay-Z, I can keep going down the list, Paul Tudor Jones, all of them have one thing in common. They are owners. They are investors. They understand systems and leverage. So let's go on. CoinZoom. CoinZoom is literally a revolutionary platform because not only have we been able to give you an exchange, not only have we been able to give you a wallet that has the best security, we've got our custodian. Custodianship is done and held by BitGo, which is the most secure custodian provider on the market. You've got the ability to do limit orders, market execution orders, all on the app. And the debit card, folks. The debit card is truly bridging the gap between fiat and crypto because you can spend your crypto without selling it. You also have cashback rewards. And folks, the Zoom Me feature, Oh my. It's way faster than Cash App. So the CoinZoom Visa card, right? It's more than just one way to pay you, right? You earn every time someone swipes their card, as well as earning on other transaction fees on the platform. This is huge, guys. I can't stress it enough. So again, Uber changed the way that the taxi cab industry operates. And now the rideshare industry will never be the same. Airbnb changed the way that the hospitality industry operates. And now they will never be the same. And now Airbnb is now booking more rooms than hotels are. And CoinZoom has truly bridged the gap. Not bridging, has bridged the gap. It is already bridged, folks, the gap between fiat and crypto. They're already talking about a digital dollar. They've recently gave us this stimulus package, which was a bailout to Main Street. Checks for everyone, mother, daughter, son, and father. So all these checks they've been sending out, they slipped in a new monetary policy and legislation to introduce a digital dollar and Fed wallets, having us bank directly with the Federal Reserve. And I don't know if you guys are too familiar with the way that digital banking works and electronic banking. The freedom is on the digital side with distributed ledgers on blockchain. It's your own banking, so to speak. You're in control. You're protected from a collapse in the system. Whereas a new digital dollar is just a pig with the wig, but this time nice lipstick. So you have the ability to take your freedom, your financial future, and put them in your own hands. Liberation at its finest. So again, CoinZoom revolutionizing the way that we use money. We're now able to literally monetize things like taxis, right? Instead of taxis, we use our cars. They even have Toro, where you can rent out your car to other people, and it's affecting the rental industry. Airbnb, again, allows them to make money and you to make money off of renting out your home, right, or your spare room. And we're offering staking for certain amount of coins, as well as the ability to get the rewards and the cash back. I mean, revolutionary. And did I mention you can access it in the United States? Folks, this is a road that most haven't been able to chart. Folks, this is a task most have not been able to complete. But CoinZoom is going where no exchange has gone before. CoinZoom is taking it where no debit card has ever been able to take it before. And that's why we love calling it Beyond, because that's where we go, baby, above and beyond. So fully licensed in the US, Europe, and Asia, the jurisdictions that matter, the jurisdictions that have lots of GDP. And folks, we haven't even breached 5% penetration at the retail point of sale counter. Folks, with CoinZoom, you can spend crypto almost just about any and everywhere. 53 million locations worldwide that accept Visa. I've been at the counter, had my transaction decline. Lady looks at me like I don't have money. I say, wait one moment, lady, just gotta push a button. When I push that button, I can switch from spending my crypto, spending Bitcoin, spending dollars, spending Ethereum. I mean, it is amazing. It's very simple and easy to use, this app. So not only is it an exchange, but we also have the wallet platform and its client-side security, client-side encryption. Folks, we use Google Authenticator. Yes, we do. That OTP, that one-time password that it asks you for when you log in, that protects you. So your assets are more secure on this little itty-bitty smartphone that you have here. That's why it's called a smartphone. Inside that CoinZoom wallet, and able to access and spend it to pay your bills or give your family thrills, right? All on the wallet without literally, doing too much, exerting yourself. You don't need to have the traditional banking. Right now, this will give the potential to bank the unbanked. You'd be surprised how many people are in check systems, so they can't have a traditional bank account. You'll be surprised how many people are getting ripped off from Cash App because they're being charged fees left and right. But this thing has a feature on it called Zoom Me. Hey guys, Zoom Me, Mr. Wall Street. That's Mr. Wall, ST. Zoom Me. Yes, and it's instant. It's instant. And it charges literally nothing for in-app transactions. And the 5% cash back. Oh my, I love it. It's amazing. And they don't limit you on what you can spend. You want to go buy a new Mercedes Benz and they want $10,000 for that down payment? Well, you can use that CoinZoom debit card to buy that new Mercedes. And they're going to give you 5% cash back on that transaction. No limit on wires. Did I mention no limit on wires? In or out of the platform? Now, we do have staking. Go to the website for more information on the staking, and it does require a certain amount of Zoom coins. But folks, just alone, the Zoom token has doubled in the last week. You got in last week. You got in at about 20 cents, and that thing shot up to 40 cents in 1 week. We're talking about doubling your money overnight. Why? Because of timing. You heard of Lyft, the IPO for Lyft? You remember the Facebook IPO, and everybody, if you were around and understood the stock market during the Google and Amazon early days, whew, imagine the gains, being there at the right time. Investing is all about timing, not just what you invest in, but when you invest. So if you haven't got your Zoom coins, you better get you some. Velocity nodes. Now, nodes has been a topic of discussion amongst the community, mainly because a lot of people don't fully understand the power of the nodes. So leveraging emerging data technology is going to be important moving forward because you want to have your own computing power. You want to have the ability to be able to, keep your node running just in case maybe power goes out, right? So Forbes says big data and data mining, it's the fastest growing sector at 189 billion, okay? So we give you proprietary AI computing nodes, okay? These nodes host various types of tech, and you can support blockchain node functions, all right? So AI computer supporting bot that allows you to have decentralized computing power. I mean, for those of you that don't understand this, if the US decides to shut down grids and you're only using their computing power, then you're going to be disconnected from your crypto and your digital assets. Well, folks, this allows you to keep those nodes running and be able to mine crypto or be able to access your crypto, right? From a decentralized computing network. So you can participate in the fastest growing sector in 3 easy steps. So we purchase a Velocity node. It's only $2,850, right? For just upfront. We also have a lease option, but you receive $3,000 cash back and a cashback policy that protects 100% of the purchase price of the device. And then early weekly lease payouts through the exclusive partner, Veritech. So you can see here, 3,000 cash buyback policy. Now let me break this down a bit. So if you're purchasing the device and you're relying, on the program to make the money back, right? We want you to have protection. We want the product to be 100% guaranteed, secure. So what Travis Bott and the rest of the founders at Beyond have done to go above and beyond, I mean, kudos, hats off to those gentlemen because they have literally made sure this thing is game tight and made sure you guys got the right protection. So they give you an A-rated insurance policy, okay, after your purchase, okay? And if you do not earn more than your initial product cost, then you can redeem the policy after 5 years. So year 5, you receive 33%, and then after 10 years, 67% of the remaining balance of the policy. This is amazing, guys. So Veritech, again, the leaseback program, it's just literally genius. The way that he was able to set this up so that it pays for itself. So this comes with 2,850 rank volume, but let's talk about the power in this particular device. And what you can do for your network to make sure that you have people that remain in your network for a long time. In network marketing or in anything that involves investing in an ROI, if you are delivering for your customers, they will stay on board, come back and bring more referrals. So within the first step, you buy the device, and this is just assuming you pay upfront, $2,850, right? You receive the cash buyback policy valued at $150 more than what you paid for the device. So $3,000 cash buyback policy, okay? So you buy the device, you receive the buyback policy, then you enter into the lease program. Now you're gonna receive 32 weekly payments, 150 payments, okay, of $32, okay? These are weekly payments. So this means that you earn $4,800 in lease payments, okay, over that duration, okay? So on week 151, the company will then buy out the lease of the device for $2,000, and then you receive the $2,000 after the lease buyout, all right, on week 151 at the end of term, okay? It's amazing. So let's talk about the installment plan option, right, which is very flexible for those that don't have the capital requirement to come in and just buy the device outright. So this is 32 installments at $90 per installment. Now you only get $90 rank volume because this is considering them paying the $90 up front based on making that installment payment, right? So they pay their deposit and then they make the installment payment. Now they enter the lease program, okay? They're gonna earn $1 each week per installment. They make 32 installments within the 150 weeks to complete the device purchase, okay? And then they receive a cash buyback policy valued at $3,000, just like in the prior example, right? When the installments are completed. Wow, revolutionary. So you get 150 weeks of the lease payments beginning on the first installment date. And then on week 151, again, same thing as before, we buy out the lease for the $2,000 for all the 32 installment payments that have been completed. This is amazing. If you've completed it, you're successful. So you can terminate the device at any time, all right? Incomplete installments, if you don't complete the installment, all right, there are, I guess, differences as far as terms. I guess our $50 rebate will be issued on week 151 when, I guess, the last installment payment is made. You can terminate the lease back contract if you choose. You'll receive a rebate, though, equal to the $1,600 for the device that you paid for the installments, all right? Or the 32 installments if they've been completed. But you're only eligible for the 2,000 lease buyout if you've completed your payments or you purchased the note outright, all right? Which is nice. Now, let's talk about Wonderlust, traveling, lifestyle. My team, right? My team, we here at iTrade, you know, we run a very tight ship, and our motto is trade, travel, transform. Yeah, trade, travel, transform, baby. There's a lot of teams inside Beyond. We have Dreams to Reality. We have Royal Empire. You know, I run iTrade. I've got a division under iTrade, which is Richcraft. And we're all a family. It's the beautiful thing is they allow you to create an identity so we can take this thing beyond. But Wonderlust is amazing. I like to talk about a special story. I was in Vegas, right? And we were there to create memories, right? Obviously, we wanted to enjoy the experience. Some of the people on the team had never been to Vegas, right? But we wanted to create memories, have things set for the launch, right? And get all kind of footage that we can get, right? As well as bringing on more people on the team. So we purchased our flights to go to Vegas through the Wonderlust travel portal. We also purchased a night at Caesar's Palace. Yes, yes, yes. One of the big presidential suites with the Wonderlust travel portal. Folks, it was way cheaper than it would have been on the through the direct site, through Caesar's or any other travel portal site. It was about $40 for one of the presidential suites a night. $20, $15 to $20 for a regular suite per night. So the savings that you see just based off of using the Wonderlust side of Beyond Wealth, as well as being able to make money off of people purchasing car rentals, purchasing hotels, going on cruises, enjoying life. For God's sake, you get to make money off these experiences that people are creating. So giving members the ability to create memories through a bucket list of experiences is inspiration, inspiring. It's the greatest human act, right? So the Wonderlust travel portal, for those that love to travel, you get access to over 1 million hotels worldwide, cruises, flights, bundles, car rentals, vacation rentals. My friend William, he's been a good friend of mine for over a decade now. He's a real estate investor. He doesn't invest in the stock market short term or in the markets in general short term. He invests more long term, never been a short term speculator. But he never really signed up for any of my programs because he seemed like it wasn't for him or he wasn't interested. Well, when he heard about Wonderlust, he signed up. Why? Because he's a realtor. He invests in real estate. And this is a beautiful added bonus for him in his products and his resources and services that he provides his clients. So this is the one thing I love about Beyond. We have Beyond Wealth, we have Wealth Beyond. You got all the different resources that are all inside there that caters to what you do best, what you love, what you're passionate about, what moves and motivates you. We're not trying to force a square peg down a round hole. So this gives you access to more so you can experience more. So you know what you have here, guys? A lot of you guys don't even realize what you have with this Wonderlust portal. Other companies, right, in the industry, they're charging $1,000 plus just to join, plus their monthly fees. That can be in the hundreds of dollars just to have access to a booking engine, just as good as what we offer here, you know, inside the Beyond Wealth package, inside the Beyond Wealth repertoire. But do you understand Wonderlust and its value compared to we don't even like calling them competitors because we're on a different planet. So you can send a free travel account. Your friends can use it without paying to sign up, and you still can make money off of the commission from them booking on the portal. They book and save, and you get paid. Wow. So there's no real selling needed. Your friend says he's going to Italy. Well, you might want to help him get there, literally. Right? You're going to help him get the flight. You can help him book the hotel. He saves money. You make money. It's a win-win for everyone. So here's a perfect example. The Venetian Resort, Vegas, 5-star hotel. Internet rate, $351. Our rate, just under $200, $195. That's $157 savings a night. I mean, folks, not only are you helping people, they're saving money, but you're able to profit off of change, right? Off of solving problems and solutions, off of helping people. When you create solutions to people's problems or you provide a means to an end, this is where ends are made, and I mean dividends. So here are our travel benefits. So they include access to the exclusive travel portal with any paid membership level, right? And paid subscription monthly. Now you can see the tiers. As you go up a level based on where you buy in at, you're going to receive higher discounts. Now non-members, they get just flat out 60% discounts as a non-member. Now the commissions pay out 4 levels at 10%. And this is very powerful. So let's give an example here. So let's say you here, you're the elite level, okay? A non-member that you refer, they book a hotel for $300 for the night. Now, the member price is $250. You're gonna receive up to 60% on the difference of that $50. So the travel commission will be $30. Now, it doesn't stop there. 10% of the difference is gonna be paid up to 4 levels, all right, up to the sponsorship tree. All right, so in this example, your direct upline would earn $5, okay? Amazing. This is actually very, very powerful. So that was just an example based on a non-member. It's even better when you're talking about other scenarios. So education, education, education. So we believe here education is the great equalizer. So our goal here is to educate for success. It doesn't matter how much money you make if you don't know how to maintain it, nurture it, and grow it. So with that being said, we want to go in. We want to break it down for you guys and show you how you can create systems that work and leverage those systems to create duplication. So the Infinite Success app, very revolutionary. We actually just launched it a couple of weeks ago, and it's a proven system that helps you succeed. You're going to be able to have a custom experience for each product, whether it's Beyond Wealth products or the Well Beyond products. Okay, they're going to include funnels, videos, as well as social content for social media. And guys, it's easy. I've tried it. Simply just push a button and you can send it. Same thing with the CoinZoom app. You can refer people just by clicking a button, and you're getting referrals for referring these people, right? So you track and manage your invitations, contacts, videos. You can also see what's working as far as what people are clicking on and responding to. So there's trackable social sharing. So Beyond has gamified the whole experience of growing your business to generate excitement, all right, about the Beyond products and everything that we have in the Infinite Success line. So you can see here the Infinite Success line, we innovated the whole process, right? So it's an innovative way to launch new products. I mean, and we're launching lots of products, as we speak. But the one thing I think that's so revolutionary is the FOMO. Most people, they have a fear of missing out. This app, when a person signs up, right, and let's say they haven't signed up or paid, but they've just started the process, so to speak. It's going to let them know how many people are potentially under them if they were to sign up, what they would be able to have as far as their network. Now, if they don't sign up, the person that signs up before them moves up a level. But the beautiful thing is you can come in for a free trial and get your position, okay? And then you can upgrade to unlock the position above everyone in the Infinity line that has not upgraded yet. And this allows you to participate in the Infinity Line incentive plan, in addition to the Beyond's reward plan, which is extremely rewarding. So one of the most exciting times of any company is the launch phase, and we are in it right now. So for those that are here, it's not by accident, all right? Nothing happens truly by accident. I believe that there's no such thing as luck. Preparation meets opportunity. When preparation meets opportunity, that's when great things can happen. So with this system, okay, we can introduce new verticals and recreate the experience over and over again without having to give time, effort, or energy. So let's talk about some of the products and resources that you guys are going to have access to. I'm actually very excited about this portion, so to speak, because this is where I shine. I'm in charge of the Beyond Wealth products and making sure that we deliver the goods. So that means we've got a lot of resources that we're giving you guys that are going to help to simplify and automate your investing. So we talked about Wonderlust travel. You get personal savings that are, literally astronomical, and no one else can compare, right? The velocity node, we talked about the ability to have decentralized computing power, which is also extremely powerful. One device available for you for purchase coming in with this package, right? But with the digital technology product offering, the one thing that really gets me excited, guys, is the CoinZoom, right? You're gonna get access to come in at the gold account, which allows you to get more savings and more commission for the people that are using the platform and paying transaction fees. So we here at Beyond, we've decided that we wanted to give you a product that goes above and beyond, but has a price point that's available for just about everybody. So that means there's only a $39 activation fee plus a $60 monthly subscription fee. This gives you 5 CV. Now, the one thing that I believe we've been, I would say, seeing and hearing the most rave about, there's been the most hype behind, there's been the most questions and inquiries, is Sigma AI, Beyond AI, right? And the AI bots that we have inside the network. We've already launched one, okay? And he's a bad mama jamma. Introducing Bid, the smart AI trading bot. Just ask Bid, right? And if you understand anything about trading, you have ask price, you have bid price. Now, Bid, we've put Bid together so that he is there to assist you. So you can trade on your own, but never alone when you've got Bid in your back pocket. So he gives you the ability to have your hand on the pulse of the market by asking him very simple questions, and he gives prompts. He's very similar to Alexa, Siri, or Watson. Okay, so this allows traders that maybe don't know about trend or bias to be able to know which direction they should be in and where they should be focusing their attention. So not only do we have the Beyond AI, all right, but Beyond AI encompasses so many different things as far as AI is concerned. So we're going above and beyond, and this is one of the first iterations that we've introduced. And there's over, I'd say, 500 people that have been utilizing BID with its basic functions, and they've been working to perfection. We're now adding even more as we start to grow closer towards launch and launching these products. But coming soon are the courses and resources that I believe are second to none in the market. You can look here, the Beyond Forex Pro Trader course, okay? In this special investment workshop, myself, Mr. Wall Street, international best-selling author, world-renowned investment coach, advisor. I mean, you've heard of me around the block a bit. I know something you could say about currencies and the Forex markets as a whole, but I go deep in this course. 72 lessons. This course has videos that range from 5 minutes to an hour, and it goes extensively. It goes deep above and beyond so that you can understand how to trade using the Beyond Wall Street trading strategy. But we also break it down from a basic standpoint for those that have no knowledge of the market, and you can progress from there. There's even tutorials on how to use BID, the smart AI trading bot. We're going to be giving out different signals and alerts. These signals and alerts will have an automated function as well as a manual function. Beyond the charts live, I've been doing my off the charts during the London session, and we'll be ushering in more products. But I mean, by far the CoinZoom is the best, that I would say that you guys have had access to now because the profits that have been made. But Beyond Wealth, right? Beyond Wealth means just that, right? So what we've done is we've put together the best resources, right? So with that being said, the Beyond Analysis platform, it goes above and beyond. This platform allows you to make smarter, faster, more efficient trading decisions through automating your analysis, as well as being able to be alerted when the market is in your confidence areas, your significant levels and areas that you want to be a buyer or a seller. So this allows you to also do back testing, strategy testing, and use different things to be able to have an edge, to be able to go above and beyond in your trading. So this will be available coming soon, shall I say, right? Coming soon. That's all I can say. I've been using it in the London session, in the Beyond charts. We've been going, over the markets, one session per day. We'll be ushering in more sessions as we get, past launch. But this product is the product, and the platform that I have been using while I've been going live for the live trading sessions, and it's revolutionary. Thing I love most is, again, the alerts, the ability to have alerts in the alert queue and have the alerts be sent to your phone instantaneously. Now, Beyond Harmonics. Beyond Harmonics is very revolutionary, mainly because we're giving you the ability to chart harmonic patterns on just about any asset, stocks, Forex, futures, crypto, you name it. You're able to go in and you're not limited on where the harmonic is able to be plotted. And then you're being given different opportunities to be able to trade. Now, we also are putting together a course on trading the harmonics and how to take advantage of it, mainly because these PRZs, price reversal zones, we typically only want to take U-turns. That means confirmation trades that are turning in our confidence areas. But when you can combine the Beyond Analysis platform and its alerts with Beyond Harmonics and myself, Mr. Wall Street, as well as the other analysts that we have within the network, I'm not done yet. You combine the automation from the trade copier signals. You combine the automation from the Beyond AI with the crypto AI. It becomes a very nice, balanced, diversified portfolio. And you're able to see great things happen. This one is also coming soon. So be patient. You guys definitely will not be disappointed once you are able to gain access to that. So incentive plans. There's 4 ways to earn here at Beyond. We have our direct referral awards. Okay, these are direct rewards that you get from the referrals that you're referring people to the platform, and the commissions you're getting from those referrals. And then the code up bonus. All right, the code up bonus is a nice additional secondary way for stream of income. the Infinity Line bonus, I'm excited about that one. That's going to be a nice one. And then the Infinity Pool bonus, which we have a nice pool where we have matching bonuses and things of that nature. So let's talk about the lifestyle benefit tiers. And guys, there are already people whose lifestyles are changed already based off the income that they've been making. Beyond, our philosophy here is you do it once, we pay you twice. So this is the philosophy behind passive residual income. Acronym, right? RICH is an acronym for residual income creates happiness. But folks, if you create residual income, start to create wealth, then obviously, yes, you'll never have to work again, right? But it truly changes the trajectory of your heirs, because it's truly going to make sure that anyone with your last name will never have to work for anyone else or work a job. So get started with one of the Infinity Packs. The best thing you can do is to take advantage by taking the step now, grabbing the bull by the horns, right? And actually taking that leap of faith and starting now, right? If not now, when? If not you, who? Okay, if it's not going to be, your grandmother, your grandfather, your mother, your dad, your aunt, your uncle, right? Or your cousins or whoever, if it's not going to be them to change your family, then why not you? So we've given you the ability to be able to come in and, again, take your portfolio above and beyond. And it starts with the Infinity Founder Pack. The Founder Pack, the Founders Club, it's a special club to be in, because you're getting access to 2 positions in the Infinity Line, as long as your subscriptions are active. Then you get the $600 referral bonus, right? You get the Group 1 Priority Access, which some of us have already gotten access to our Infinite Success app. But you also get to share in a pool of the profits. There's a 2% pool of the profits that are being pulled together for the people that are inside this Founders Club. You're also given Infinity Leaderboard points, 25 points. Okay. Now the Infinity Club Pack, this is $500, $500 rank or 500 rank volume. Now there's 200 binary. You get 5 leaderboard points and then $125 referral, but you also get a group. You also get a priority access to the Infinite Success app, but this is Group 2. Now the standard pack, it doesn't give as much volume, but this is the lower entry for those that want to get access. And folks, you can upgrade if you choose. You want to come in at the standard pack, upgrade to the club pack, and then upgrade to the founders pack, that's perfectly fine. The only thing is you have until Saturday to do so, or actually I believe Friday, because I think the 10th is the last day that you can upgrade or purchase the founders packs. But you get $35 referral bonus $35 referral bonus. You get 1 leaderboard point. You get Group 3 priority access to the Infinite Success app, and then a CoinZoom Gold card. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. And then they're waiving the Infinite Line activation fee, as well as the membership enrollment fee. All right. Now, here you can see the promotional preferred pack, Wonderlust, as well as the velocity node. You can purchase up to 10 nodes. You get a 50% savings. You're getting more commission here at this package as well. 20% team commissions for 8 weeks, and you qualify with the purchase of an Infinity Pack. All right. You also get 100 binary CV, 4 leaderboard points, and then $150 off the purchase of the velocity node. All right. And then development, right? You can you're being developed. The one thing I love here, this is one of the bundles I love, right? The ability to get the Onyx tier for free. So spend $3,000 on Infinity promotional packs, and you receive the $5,000 Onyx tier for free. So this is the first 100 people, okay, that get the Founders Pack, all right, and the promotional Beyond Wealth Preferred Pack of 500, okay, and the promotional Well Beyond Preferred Pack. I guess it gives you the Onyx Lifestyle tier for free, all right. But you could see here CoinZoom Black account, which gives you more savings, higher reward for your cashback, as well as commissions on people's spending for their transaction fees. And you can purchase up to 150 velocity nodes. Now, promotional bundle 2, spend $1,000 on a Infinity promotional pack, and you will receive the Elite tier for free. All right, so this here, you get the Elite tier debit card, you get the Platinum CoinZoom account, you can purchase 25 nodes, and then 20% commission for 8 weeks. There's only 100 spots available for that one, so you definitely want to get it while supplies last. Now, let's talk about the Beyond lifestyle benefit tiers, because these are definitely, again, changing lives and taking things above and beyond. So the one-time fee, all right, is paid, and you're able to get a discount based on where you are. So you can see here, we go from 99 to 10,000, but you have your preferred account all the way to your black account. Your black account is the highest that you can get, guys. Okay, it's almost like an American Express black card in the Beyond Wealth world, all right, or blockchain sphere. But you could see here, you could purchase unlimited devices with, you know, the Alpha Big Dog pack, 150 here with the Onyx tier, but 65% travel discounts, pretty huge, all right? And then the binary commissions, notice that they're a lot higher with the higher tier. So the biggest thing is you get paid more and you get more discounts based on the higher tier that you come in. So you get more access, and that definitely goes a long way. So let's talk about the 3 ways that you can earn. You earn money with the Beyond Wealth products. That means CoinZoom, the CoinZoom transactions, your rewards, cashback. Oh, it's so amazing. You can always tell every time, because I'm smiling every time I talk about it. But then also the velocity nodes. And these are high ticket items. So the commissions and the CV that you get from them, don't sleep on it. Please don't sleep on it. And then Wonderlust, another one. You know, there are a lot of people that are in the network marketing industry that do a lot of traveling. So, you know, we're going to have a lot of people that may not be directly involved with our company selling our products, and maybe from other companies selling other products, but they still will be making us money and using our products because they can still use Wonderlust, right? Or they may be making money on CoinZoom. I can assure you that our competitors are buying CoinZoom. Everyone is. You can see the volume and its explosion and the momentum to the upside. Now, next, you earn money through the Beyond Rewards plan. Just for referring 4 people, helping those 4 people refer 4 people, or even better, 6 people, it becomes a very powerful thing, and it starts to grow organically. And last but not least, you earn money through the Infinite Line Infinity plan, okay, or incentive plan, and it grows. Those that are in now, you're here at the early onset, launch phase, okay? So let's talk about the Beyond Rewards plan. So generational fast start bonus, okay? You get your referral bonuses, team commissions, the generation matching bonus, which I love, and the global pool bonus, which I can't wait for, okay? So how do you maximize your business during pre-launch, might you ask? Well, we're going to tell you. Again, refer 6 people. That's all you have to do, guys. It's not that hard. You refer 6 people, you'll be surprised at how this thing ends up growing and spreading because of the time that you've hopped in. So help those 6 people, get 6 people, right? Or at least 4 people, okay? And it grows from there, right? And you can kind of see how your network grows. Guys, I almost have 1,000 people under me in only 1 month, just off of the word of mouth spreading. So let's say that people, you know, the people you bring in, let's say that the popular pack you choose is, you know, or selling is the Infinity Club pack, right? For $500. So step 1, you refer 6 people, okay? You're gonna get $125 for each referral, times 6, that's $750. The binary is up to 120, so now your total earnings is $870 just for referring those 6 people. And then 2% Infinity Pool shares, 7 shares, a check match, and bonus pools. Guys, the commissions that this company pays is insane. I mean, they're paying almost 60% of the revenue generated out to the sales force, back to you, which says a lot. So step 2, help 6 each refer 4. Additional binary is up to 480. Now you've earned $1,350. $1,350. Amazing, folks. It's truly amazing. But it doesn't stop there. Option 2, let's say that you're swinging for the fences. You've got people that understand the vision and they want to be an owner. They want part of the revenue share in the 2% pool. So you sell them the founder pack. Now, you refer 6 people to the founder pack, that's $600 commission on each referral. Times that by 6, that's $3,600. The binary bonus up to $720, you just made $4,320. I'm not finished. plus the 2% infinity pool shares. That's 35 shares. The check match and the bonus pools make sure that you are paid passively, guys. Do the work once, get paid twice. Amazing. Now, I'm not saying you're getting paid twice for this. You're getting paid based off of your residuals, based on whatever plans that the people are coming in and the products they're enjoying. But let's go step 2 here. You help 6 people, right? Each refer 4. Your binary is now up to $2,880. Total earnings, $7,200. Wow. So you do the work once, let us pay you twice. You get 6 people who get 4. And with everything that we're providing, it's very hard to find someone that doesn't find their niche inside the Beyond Wealth and Well Beyond bucket of resources and services. So the Infinity Line offer, let's look at the Infinity Line offer. Let's say you lock your spot for $99 and 60 bucks a month. You refer 6 people. Your code up bonus, your direct code up bonus, $250. Now your 6 people, let's say they get 4. The direct and code up bonus from there is $100. Now 2 times 2 and 50 in the line is $60. 3 times 3 and 150 in the line is $270. And you're making $600 for 4 times 4 with 250 in the line. So the total earnings here is $1,280. Now, these earnings can change based on the number of customers that you have inside your line, but it does grow, right? If you're nurturing your network. So, step 2, help 6 refer 4, who refer 4. Your direct code up is now 120, and you go back through the line, and now, guys, $4,920. Again, it's all based on those that are active in your line, but this money, not only is it paid up front, but also based on those that are paying residual. So you earn $13,400 between now and launch, had you been able to get in early enough. Now, launch is actually by Saturday. So I'm not going to say you can come in and be able to grow your network to make $13,000 between now and launch off referring, but if you get enough Zoom tokens, you definitely can. It's definitely possible. All right. Past performance is determining future results, but folks, this thing is, again, revolutionizing lives, changing lives. So our goal here at Beyond is to give, serve, love, and repeat. So this is why it's beyond me, it's beyond you, it's beyond all of us. So spread the word. It's a purpose-driven cause dedicated to serve others. And this change, it truly makes a difference. So again, past performance does not determine future results. I appreciate you guys for coming out. You could have been anywhere else in the world, but you are here with us, and we appreciate that. Definitely tune in. I'm Mr. Wall Street coming at you live, and I'll see you guys at the top to infinity and beyond.